So, good afternoon again, everyone. Today is Tuesday. How are you today? And for me, I am pretty good. So, before we go directly to the lessons, I want to show you the books that you will learn. So, the first one is student book. Second one is activity book. And the last one is reader book. So the book that you will learn is Story Central 5. So now it's time to move to the lessons. Chapter 1 and Lesson 1. The title is Then and Now. So I have a pictures for you all, and let's take 1 minute in order to look at the picture. So what do you see? Yes, great job. So we can see teacher. He is standing in front of the board, and he also show students the pictures in the screen. And we can see many students are sitting in their place with their friends. They might talk something that related to the lesson. And do you like this classroom environment, everyone? Yes, thank you so much. I also like this classroom environment because it looks so fresh and feel comfortable for us to join. So next, okay, this is the pictures. Do you know who is she? Yes, she is my grandma. And what is her job? So her job is a teacher. It means that she is a teacher, and we really want to know what things did she have in her classroom. And now we can go to another slide altogether and see what things she had. The first one, do you know what is it? Yes, it is bear. Can anyone spell the word bear for me? Yes, bear I spell B-E-L-L. Next one, it is chalk. Have you ever seen chalk before? Great job. Yes, so chalk I spell C-H-A-L-K. Another one is board. And this board we use chalk to write with. So we call it as chalkboard. So chalkboard I spell C-H-A-L-K-B-O-A-R-D. What about this one? Do you know what is it? Yes, great job. It is called dictionary. So dictionary I spell Dictionary. Dictionary. This one. Have you ever seen this one before? We call this one as ink pen. So ink pen I spell INKPEN. This one is a kind of board that we use marker to write with, and we call this one as whiteboard. Whiteboard I spell WHITEBOARD. Whiteboard. Another one, we call it hula hoops. Hula hoops I spell HULAHOOPS. And this one, this is kinds of the books that children really likes the most. So it is called Encyclopedia. Encyclopedia I spell ENCYCLOPEDIA. The last one, it is a kind of computer. It is so small and you can carry it with you when you go out. So we call it as laptop. Laptop I spell Laptop. So all of these things are in my grandma's classroom. And now let's move to another slide. Yes. So now it's time to learn about the words and the definitions. So we can look at number one. This is called dictionary. So what does it mean for dictionary? Yes. So dictionary. You need to match this word with another definition. So dictionary is what? Yes. Dictionary is a book that gives a lot of words of a language, and you can find the words that you don't understand in another language. It will translate into your own language. Number two, whiteboard. So what does it mean whiteboard? Yes. So the answer is C. Whiteboard, a large board that we use markers to write. Number three, chalkboard. Chalkboard. The answer is D. A large board that we use chalk to write. Number four, encyclopedia. What does it mean? Yes, the answer is A. A book giving information about particular subject or all areas of knowledge. Example, Children's Encyclopedia. Next, interactive. So what does it mean for interactive? When people work all together, they use the body language and they communicate. So that way called interactive. So the answer is G. Interactive, the way people involve working together in groups. 6. Hula hoops. So hula hoop, the answer is H. A light plastic ring that you spin around your waist by moving your hips. Number 7. Bell. Bell, the answer is F. A metal object that makes a ringing sound when hit a small of metal inside it. 8. Ink pens. The answer is letter J. A pen used ink to write on the paper. 9. Chalk. What does it mean, chalk? Yes, the answer is I. A type of soft white stone using on the board. The last one, laptop. So what is the answer? Yes, it is letter E. Laptop, a small computer that can be easily carried when you go out. So in this part, what you need to do is copy it into your notebook, and I will check it later. Okay, so what next? So the previous slide we have done with matching the definition, and now it's time to go to another fun activity. It must be a quick game. So what is our quick game? Tell me quickly the right word after seeing missing letter. For example, number 1, you see it. You see only letter H. You see only letter H and then P and S. So the word is hula hoops. Okay, and now move to number 2. You see B and L. So it is bear. Number 3, you see letter L and then letter P. So it must be laptop. Number 4, you see letter E and Y, E and A. So the right word is encyclopedia. Number 5, you see letter D and letter R. So the right word is dictionary. Number 6, you see the first word they give you ink. So this one must be ink pen. Okay, number 7. You see W and H, and then B and D. So the right word must be whiteboard. 8. You see the letter C and K and B, so it must be chalkboard. Number 9. You see letter C and the last one letter K, so it must be chalk. Yes, great job. Thank you so much everyone for enjoying playing this game. Okay, now move to another one. Yes, it is time to do your exercise. So I give you many words in this box, and you have to choose one word in the box in order to complete your sentence. For example, write the word next to the glue. She wrote with chalk on a what? Think about it. She bring her computer. It is a. We look at the on the wall. We wrote in our notebooks with an. We use a to check spelling. We use an to check facts. She rang a bit loud for reasons the girls play with. With what? Okay. And closing time. So our lesson today have done. And now let's check your understanding before time's up. So, what did you learn today? Yes. So today we have learned about many things that is in the classroom. It is laptop, chalk, encyclopedia, ink pen, chalkboard, whiteboard, bell, hula hoops, dictionary, chalkboard, and interactive. Okay, do you have any exercise today? Yes, definitely. You have exercise. You need to choose the word from the box to complete the sentence for me. Yes. And thank you so much everyone for your listenings and participation today. Really appreciate your commitment. And thank you so much, my dear students. See you next time. Bye bye.